Mercedes-Benz have just dropped all the details on the new A35 and 45s facelift. In this video, we're going to take a full look at all the changes and features on the much loved AMG models. First up is the exterior changes. The 35 models have now been upgraded to the top-end AMG grille with vertical struts. And much like the new C63S, both the 35 and 45S now feature an AMG emblem on the front bonnet. This seems to be a new standard feature for AMGs. The 35 is also being treated to aggressive bulges at the front, much like the 45S, to make it look more aggressive. This is good news for those interested in the 35 models because they're going to now look much more like the high-end 45S. The 45S is launching as a limited special edition too, but more on that later in the video. Both the 35 and 45 now get the brand new AMG steering wheel, including updated AMG exclusive buttons and dials. These can be customized to change the car's settings and drive modes without taking your hand off the steering wheel. The center touchpad and buttons have been removed and replaced by this small storage area here. And if we look closely, there's some new buttons. The first button is the new dynamic select button, which will change the car's drive modes. The second is the volume dial. The third is the new fingerprint scanner to log into Mercedes Me. And lastly, this button here for park assist, the car's self-parking feature. The 35 and 45 feature the new upgraded MBUX, which has been given a big overhaul from the previous edition. It now features all the new menus and graphics from the new C-Class and other new models. For both the 35 and 45, you get all the new AMG screens and graphics. This also means the new A-Class now has wireless CarPlay, finally, just like the new C-Class. They've upgraded some of the car's safety systems too. Lane keeping assist, for example, now features active steering control. This means it's going to steer the car quicker back into the lane if required. For a limited time only, a special edition of the 45S will be available to order. This is called the AMG Street Style Edition. For this, we get Magno Grey paint as standard, with eye-catching red accents across all the sporty trim to really make it stand out as a special edition car. The AMG performance seats and interior elements have a unique microfiber finish with bright orange stitching, and you also get a brand new 45S badge embroidered onto the headrest. For engines and power, nothing has changed on the 45S. It still features the new flagship 421 horsepower AMG handcrafted engine. However, the non-AMG models and the 35 model all feature a 48 volt auxiliary power supply, just like the new C-Class. It also has a belt-driven starter generator. For the 35 model, this only adds an extra 4 horses to the overall horsepower. However, this is going to make the car much more responsive. It's going to really help reduce any turbo lag from the combustion engine. Now, this mild hybrid feature will only be added to the standard petrol lineup and the 35 model, not the 45S, which will remain exactly the same as the pre-facelift with a non-hybrid 421 horsepower engine. So there we have it guys, that's my first look at all the new features in the facelift 35 and 45S lineup. It seems like the 35 is getting the biggest upgrade here, inheriting lots of the visual upgrades straight from the much more expensive 45S model. But the biggest change is the newer version of MBUX, which is going to add lots of functionality to the car and lots of new updated high-tech screens. From a driver's perspective though, there's not really a huge amount changing here. Now the 35 is getting a nice boost from the mild hybrid, but the 45S remains exactly the same with the same horsepower of 421. Now these upgrades all look great, but if you just purchased the pre-facelift, I wouldn't worry at all, don't lose any sleep on this. With the current production wait times of over a year for these cars, the non-facelift versions are still going to be absolute gold dust. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, hit that subscribe button for more Mercedes-Benz and AMG content. Thank you all so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys next time.